Hello everyone, welcome back to Gourmet Aroma. Today I am thrilled to share with you a cherished recipe from Bangladesh, authentic Mutton Tehari, also known as similar Mutton Pulao. This dish is aromatic, rich in a flavor and perfect for any special occasion or hearty family meal. Mutton Tehari is a dish steeped in tradition. Unlike a regular pulao, it brings together tender mutton, fragrant basmati rice, and a blend of spice that create layers of flavor. The secret lies in slow cooking is called that process dum and balancing spice, a technique passed down through generation. Now I prepare the tehari masala. Here I take green cardamom, clove, black pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg flour, black cardamom. This combination is essential for building the deep, rich flavor we are after. Please check the description box. I give all the recipe of the tehari masala. So ready our tehari masala. Let's go to see which ingredients I use the make a delicious tehari. Here I take the whole garam masala and tehari masala, and also I prepare the masala nutmeg and nutmeg flour together, mutton, basmati rice. Also I prepare the almond paste, cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, salt, mustard oil, milk, onion, sliced onion, green chili and yogurt or yogurt. Please check the description box. I give to all the recipe and the ingredients. Now heat the pan and add the mustard oil. Add the sliced onion and saute until they turn golden brown. Now I add to some salt and mix very well. Now I add to the ginger garlic paste. Then stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add the whole garam masala and stir. Continue. Sprinkle in additional ground spice tehari masala. Add some water so masala have not burning. The mixture cook until the oil begins to separate. Add the mutton pieces. Sear them until they are well browned on all sides. This step seals in the juice and enhance the flavor. Now I add to the salt according your taste. Also I add the another ground spice, nutmeg and nutmeg flower. Nutmeg and nutmeg flower is very important for preparation tehari. So don't skip that to spice. Once the mutton is nicely browned, add the yogurt and mixed well. Now to cover the meat, bring the pot to a simmer and allow the mutton to cook slowly until it becomes tender. This may take about 45 minutes to an hour on low heat. Once the mutton is nearly tender, gently stir in the soaked and drained basmati rice. Mix carefully so that each grain gets coated with the aromatic sauce. Now I add to the almond paste. Also I add the cumin seeds and mix well. Now I add to the warm water. I take 1 kilo basmati rice, so need the water 1.3 liters. Now I add to the some salt and mix well. When water have coming to the bubble, that moment I add the milk. Now I add the keora essence. Add some green chili, it's optional. If you don't like, you don't use that. Now the time to the dum. So cover the pot and cook to dum. Let the rice steam on low heat until fully cooked and all the flavors are absorbed, usually about 15 to 20 minutes. In the moment, I take a pan, heat the ghee and add 2 tablespoons kaura essence and 3 drops of biryani essence. After the rice has cooked and absorbed all the flavors, it's time for the finishing touch. Gently sprinkle the ghee, fluff your tehari with a fork, being careful not to break the delicate rice grain. Cover up more 10 minutes without fire. Now time to the tehari plating. Time to garnishing. So I garnish with slice of cucumber and round slice onion. And there you have it, an authentic Bangladeshi mutton tehari that's bursting with flavor and tradition. I hope you enjoy making and sharing this dish as much as I do. If you try this recipe, please leave a comment below and let us know how it turned out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. More authentic recipe from around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.